Want to capture every game-changing moment without breaking the bank? Let's explore how to potentially access Veo 3 for free in Europe. First, regularly check the Veo website and social media channels for promotional offers or limited free trials. These pop up occasionally, especially around new product launches or partnerships. Next, investigate collaborative initiatives. Some sports organizations or leagues partner with Veo, offering discounted or even free access to their member teams. Contact your local sports federation for details. Consider Veo's potentially available limited access plans. These might offer basic recording and analysis features for free, with the option to upgrade for more advanced functionalities. Explore their subscription options carefully. Explore grant and sponsorship opportunities. Many organizations provide funding to support sports technology adoption, which could cover your Veo 3 subscription costs. Research opportunities offered in your region. Finally, share your Veo recordings to get featured by Veo. They may provide you with a free subscription or reduce costs of usage. And that's it. By exploring these avenues, you might just unlock the power of Veo 3 for free in Europe. Remember to stay proactive and persistent in your search.